Okay, students, we will continue our chapter 3 questions. In previous video, we see the introduction about this chapter, that what are the 3 questions, and the story revolves around the king and his 3 question जिसका आंसर वो ढूंढ रहा था. And in the end of the first video, we see that king did not get an satisfied answer, so he decided to meet a hermit. Again, I'll tell you, hermit is a person who lives alone and leads a simple life. हिंदी में एकांतवासी. So, and why he was finding these answers? Because he thought when he will get these answers, he would never fail in his life and as a king of the kingdom. So, in the end of the first video, we saw he decided to meet hermit. So, in the coming paragraph, we see how they meet, what questions he asked, and how answers he get from the hermit. So, we'll be starting from the here. The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. He saw no one but simple people, and so king put on ordinary clothes. Before he reached hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went alone. So now here you see the hermit is living in woods. Woods means jungle. एंड वहाँ पे उस जंगल में वो बहुत सिंपल लाइफ रहता था हर्मिट. तो किंग ने सोचा कि ही ऑल्सो वेयर सिंपल क्लोथ एंड मीट हर्मिट एज एन ऑर्डनरी पर्सन. उसको वो एज सिंपल पर्सन की तरह मिलेगा, नॉट एन किंग की तरह नहीं. सो ही ऑल्सो लेफ्ट हिज हॉर्स एंड बॉडीगार्ड. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको बताना था कि वो भी एक सिंपल या ऑर्डनरी मैन है, जस्ट हर्मिट से मिलने आया है, not as a king. We will continue. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw hermits digging ground in front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. So now in this paragraph, you see writer has shown wants रीडर टू इमेजिन कि हर्मिट क्या है. ही इज़ डिगिंग ग्राउंड अपनी हट के सामने, एंड जब किंग आया उससे मिलने तो उसने उसको ग्रीट करा एंड ही कंटिन्यूड डिगिंग. एंड एज ही वॉज वर्किंग, सो उसकी जो सांसें थी वो काफ़ी हैवी हो गई थी. लाइक इफ़ वी रन वी ब्रीथ हैवीली, सो ही ब्रेथेड हैवीली. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you the answer 3 questions. How can I learn to do right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important? So when the hermit greeted king, so king went more near to hermit और उसने वही सेम 3 क्वेश्चन hermit से पूछे. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. द hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He went on digging. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. So hermit quietly listened to the question and did not respond to the king. वेरी सरप्राइजिंगली कि अगर अपन से भी कोई पूछे तो वील बी थिंकिंग कि अपन को आंसर मिलेगा, बट हर्मिट चुप रहा एंड वो अपने वर्क को कंटिन्यू करा. सो आफ्टर सम टाइम किंग आस्क्ड कि लेट मी हेल्प यू, यू आर टायर्ड. तो उसने कहा तुम बैठो और मैं तुम्हारी जगह डिग कर लूँगा. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. थैंक्स, सेड द हर्मिट, गिविंग द किंग हिज spade. देन ही sat on the ground. Next paragraph from here. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his question. The hermit gave no answer, but stood up, stretching out his hands for the spade, and said, "Now you rest, let me work." So, king digged ground for some few hours or for some time, and then again he stopped and asked same 3 questions to hermit. But again hermit didn't give an answer, but he said, "Now again give spade to me, I will dig, now you rest." But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. But still किंग को लगा कि उसको और उसकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए, तो स्टिल ही वॉज कंटिन्यू डिगिंग. 1 hour passed. Next paragraph here. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, "I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me so, I will return home." So again जब उसने वापस सेकेंड टाइम क्वेश्चन पूछा तो वो वापस घर नहीं गया किंग. ही कंटिन्यू टू वर्क ऑन द ग्राउंड. बट इन द इवनिंग, एज इट इज़ रिटन कि सन वेंट डाउन बिहाइंड द ट्रीज, मीन्स it was late evening when you can say sunset. So again he said to hermit कि I came here for to get answers to my question, but अगर तुम answers नहीं दे सकते, so maybe I can go my home. Okay, last line, here comes someone running, said hermit. Now जब king उससे बात कर रहा था तो एकदम से hermit ने क्या किया, here comes someone running. तो कोई hermit को आता हुआ running करता हुआ वापस दिखाई दिया. So we'll see who was it and how they met the person who was running, why he was running. Okay, in the second part of this chapter. Second part, first paragraph. The king turned around and saw a bearded man running towards them. His hands were pressed against his stomach, from which blood was flowing. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground. So, when the hermit told king, just look back, someone is coming. And when king noticed, so they saw a man with the beards coming, and उसने अपना क्या स्टमक प्रेस करा हुआ था बिकॉज इट वॉज ब्लीडिंग. अगर हैवी ब्लीडिंग होती है, सो वी प्रेस द वूंड्स. सो सेम वे द पर्सन प्रेस्ड हिज वूंड, एंड व्हेन ही रीच टू द किंग ही फेंटेड. फेंटेड मीन्स बेहोश हो गया. We continue from the next line. The king and the hermit removed the man's clothing and found a large wound on his stomach. The king washed and covered it with his handkerchief, but the blood would not stop flowing. The king redressed wound until at the last bleeding stopped. Okay, now when man got fainted, so hermit and king decided to do dressing on him. Dressing means जब अपन के wound लग जाती है, डॉक्टर अपन को जो पट्टी करते हैं उस पट्टी को अपन कहते हैं ड्रेसिंग. सो हाउ ही ड्रेस्ड, उसका वूंड कैसे उसने कवर करा, बाय हिज हैंकरचिफ. बट माइट बी वो वूंड डीप था, सो ब्लड वॉज नॉट स्टॉपिंग. ही अगेन रीड्रेस्ड, मतलब वापस से उसने उसको पट्टी करी. एंड देन द वूंड, उसको कब तक दबा के रखा, जब तक वो ब्लीडिंग स्टॉप ना हो.